Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the DJI Pocket 3 and unlocking its screen. This puts you where adjustments matter. Tap the camera icon, then go straight into lens or zoom settings so you can select the zoom method. Choose optical when you need clean detail, digital for maximum reach, or hybrid to balance both. Once done, make sure gimbal calibration is stable before zooming. This prevents wobble. You're now ready to move to precise control and framing. Now focus on executing the zoom smoothly. Use a pinch gesture or the on-screen slider for gradual changes. Quick jumps introduce blur. Adjust gimbal follow and speed to slow the pan while zooming because stabilization and zoom interact. Frame with presets, tap 2x or 4x to lock common compositions, and then fine-tune with small slider nudges. Make sure exposure and focus stay locked or set to auto-tracking so the subject remains sharp as you change focal length. Finish by locking focus and exposure, then record a short test clip to confirm motion, focus, and audio. If you see pixelation or artifacting, reduce digital zoom or switch to optical or hybrid. Digital multiplies pixels and hertz quality. If zoom commands lag or the gimbal drifts, stop, power cycle the Pocket 3, and run a quick gimbal calibration. Finally, make slight exposure tweaks and reframe. Once everything looks stable and sharp, proceed with your main shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.